Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing Asian style fried pork chops. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. I have some thinly sliced pork chops, and I'll be using some gouchagong or chili paste. I have some soy sauce, oyster sauce, some Chinese cooking wine or mirin, garlic, and ginger. So what I did was cut the pork chops right at the bottom here to prevent them from curling up. You know, sometimes when you fry them, they start to fold up in the middle. So you put the slits and that prevents, you know, the curls from happening. So once I was done, I set that aside and prepare my marinade. So here I'll be using a Ziploc bag. You can use a bowl if you like. And I added all my ingredients and I just made sure that they were well combined before adding the pork chops into the bag. So once you place your pork chop into that marinade, you want to just make sure that you rub it well and that the marinade gets to coat all of your pork chops before placing it into your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. I don't know what it is, if it's because the pork chops were very thin. They were well marinated in 2 hours, guys. So let's prepare our breading. Here I'll be using some cornstarch, flour, and baking powder. And for the seasoning, it will be very simple: garlic and onion powder, black pepper, and salt. You want to add that to the flour mixture, give it a good mix, and that's basically it. Set it aside and let's move on to the next step. So before we coat the pork chop into that flour mixture, I will add 1 egg. And we will just make sure that the chops are well coated. This will help the breading to adhere to the pork chops. You know, sometimes pork chops have a way of the breading falling off. Well, this will help that breading to stick. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and generously coat your pork chop in that flour. Coat it really well, shake off the excess, and carry on with that process until you're all done. You can let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes while you get your oil preheated. Now to my preheated oil, I did heat it up to about 365 because once I drop the chops in, it will slow the temperature down to about 350, and that's just perfect. You want to fry these for about 5 minutes. They're super thin, they will cook quickly, and you don't want to overcook them or they will become dry. That's the problem with cooking pork chops. If you overcook them, they will be dry. They won't taste juicy and tender and delicious. So like you see me removing these, while they're done, set them aside and carry on with the same step until you're all done, guys. It is so simple and easy, and these were the best pork chop I ever tried. Trust me, they were so flavorful and delicious. And here you have it, the best, like I said, pork chops I've ever tried. I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.